you know about Hinduism?
I know. I like to learn more about this culture. I like to know more about people.
मैं प्रयागराज में हूँ। प्रयागराज में हमारे साथ एक शख्स को देख रहे हैं। ये हमारे इंडिया से बाहर यानी कि पेरिस से आए हैं, खास करके फ्रांस से आए हैं। इनसे प्रयास करेंगे इंग्लिश में बातचीत करने का, क्योंकि उतना बेहतर तो नहीं है फिर भी। सर, हाउ आर यू?
Fine, and you?
आई एम ऑल्सो फाइन सर। वेयर आर यू बिलोंग्स?
I'm coming from France, from Paris.
फ्रांस। सो व्हाट्स द नेम ऑफ योर डिस्ट्रिक्ट?
District, Paris. Paris.
पेरिस।
Yes, Paris. Do you know Paris?
Yes sir, I know Paris. Sir, how feel you?
Yes, great.
Great.
Yes, everything is perfect. People
Are
are very
you
friendly.
bath in Ganga Nadi?
Yes.
Yes. Sir, what about the Hinduism? You know about Hinduism?
I know. I like to learn more about this culture. I like to know more about people from this country. This is a very nice country, and I think we need to have more relationship between France and India.
Sir, in your country, how many kinds of religious?
Sorry?
In your country, how many kinds of religious? How many kinds of humans parts? That means in this India,
Yes.
in India, many more religious: Hinduism, Muslims,
Yes.
Ishu, Christian, etc.
In France,
Yeah.
in France we have every kind of religious.
Yeah.
France, this is not a religious country.
Yeah.
The state is not a religious one. Everybody could have his own religious, and we have, of course, the historic one. The historic one of my
Oh.
The historic one is Christianism, but we have plenty of other religions, so we have to.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Okay,
sir.
thank you very much.
I glad to meet you, sir.
Thank you very much. Namaste.
नमस्ते नमस्ते।
राधे राधे।
राधे 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 राधे।